Hi, this is Dr. Roy Steinbach from Mindful Pediatrics. I'm a board-certified pediatrician who has been integrating Western and holistic medicine for the last 15 years in my practice. Today on House Calls with Dr. Roy, I'm going to show you how to put eye drops in kids' eyes. This is actually something I get a lot of questions about in the office. It's actually can be quite tricky. Oftentimes moms are home alone and don't have extra hands, so I'm going to show you how to deal with that situation, especially with a younger child. And other times the drops need to be put in 4 times a day. So I have 2 lovely subjects here. One is my 12-year-old daughter, Layla, and the other is my 6-year-old daughter, Mia. And I'm going to show you how it's done with both. So Layla, why don't you go ahead and lie down for a second. There's a couple tips at the get-go, even before you start. One is learning how to get the drop kind of primed or prepared. So with these homeopathic drops, it's quite easy, but with the pharmaceutical drops, you actually got to get the drop to the front of it. So what I do is kind of flip the bottle over, and then I'll push to get the drop to come out as close as I can to falling, and then drop it into the eye. The second thing, especially with older children who can cooperate, Layla doesn't actually need any of this. She can do this by herself, but with an older child who needs help, what I always recommend is looking up and to the side. So kind of like, and with my left eye, I would look up and to the left, and with my right eye, up and to the right. And what that does is it kind of doesn't let you see the drop coming, so you don't have that automatic blink reflex. So that's really effective. So come on in and we'll show you how to do it close up. So again, the hard part is kind of keeping the eye open and helping it open up the eye. So I put my thumb on the bottom of one lid and my finger on the top of the other. I get the drop ready, and then I just put the drop right in just like that. Perfect. And then I'll usually give them a little tissue to kind of wipe the excess drop off. You don't want them to wipe everything off, but a little bit is okay. Thank you, Layla. All right, Mia, come on. So with Mia, I'm actually going to mostly just show you how to hold her and then how to open the eye. So if you don't have someone to help you at home, you're going to need to keep your kid from grabbing the bottle out of her hand. And for safety reasons, so that they don't hurt themselves or hurt you, it's really important to do that. So Mia is also a pro because we've done drops with her a few times, but I'll show you how I would do it if she was not as cooperative. So see how she's kind of lying with her arms down? Then I'd have her lie like that. And then just kind of straddle and kind of squeeze the arms pretty gently, but firm enough so that she can't move them with my legs. And then same thing, I'm just going to kind of gently open the eye, kind of pull the eye open, and then I would just put the drop in, which I'm not going to do right this moment. Okay, thank you, Mia. Good job. Okay, great. So this was House Calls with Dr. Roy, and showing you how to put eye drops in children's eyes. If you like what you saw, feel free to follow us on Facebook at Mindful Family Medicine. And we also have a newsletter at mindfulfamilymedicine.com, which has lots of great other information. So see you real soon.